Everyone, I am Avanshika Yadav of BSc third year. My topic name covariant and contravariant order of mixed tensor vector space. Let A be non-empty set V over a field F whose elements will be called scalar. We say VF is a vector space if following conditions are satisfied. First, V comma plus is an abelian group. Second, 1 dot alpha equal to alpha for all alpha belongs to V. Third point, C1 comma C2 alpha is equal to C1 bracket में C2 alpha comma for all alpha belong to V C1 dot C2 belongs to F. Fourth point, C bracket में alpha plus beta equal to C alpha plus C beta comma for all alpha comma beta belongs to V and C1 comma C2 belongs to F. Fifth point, C1 plus C2 alpha is equal to C1 alpha plus C2 alpha for all alpha belongs to V, C1 comma C2 belongs to F. Basis. Let VF be a vector space. A set S bracket में alpha 1 dash 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 alpha n of vectors of V is called basis of V if first point S is linearly independent, that is lambda 1 alpha 1 plus lambda 2 alpha 2 plus dash 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 plus lambda n alpha n equal to 0, lambda 1 equal to 0, lambda 2 equal to 0 dash 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 lambda n equal to 0 where lambda 1 comma lambda 2 dash 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 lambda n belongs to F. For each alpha belongs to F comma alpha can be expressed as linear combination of vector of S. We say that S span V. Dual space. Suppose a vector V, the dual space of V denoted by V is the set of all linear functions of V. Linear functional function that takes a vector as input and gives a real number as output in a linear way. Let mu be a function such that V equal to R such that lambda comma V belongs to V comma A comma B belongs to R. Mu bracket में A del lambda plus B V equal to A mu lambda plus B mu V. This mu is called a real value linear function V equal to R. Contravariant vectors. Let VR be a vector space and let M belongs to V are denoted by C infinite and the set of all differentiable functions in the neighborhood of M. A tangent vector lambda at M is function on C infinite M mapping functions of C infinite M into real number and satisfying the following actions. For all f comma z belong to C infinite M. First point, lambda bracket f plus z equal to lambda f plus lambda z. Second point, lambda bracket में f z equal to f bracket में m lambda z plus z bracket में m lambda f. Third point, lambda bracket में af equal to a lambda f comma a belongs to R. First point, contravariant vectors are written with upper indice like Vi. Second point, the transform oppositely to the basis change. Covariant vector, covectors. We call elements of VR as covariant vector if mu belongs to V and lambda belongs to F. First, mu bracket में lambda is real number, that is mu such that B equal to R. These are represented with lower indices like Wi. They transform the same way as the basis. Second point is satisfy following properties. Mu bracket में a lambda plus bv equal to a mu lambda plus b mu bracket में v for all lambda comma v belongs to f and a comma b belongs to R. Order of mixed tensor. First, type 1, 1. If Tij are component of a vector belongs to basis bracket ei and Tji are the corresponding component of same vector with respect to basis bracket el dash are related by a law known as law of transformation. Tji equal to pii pjj tji and so on for various orders.